Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Ustad. This is my name is Zainul Abidin, Assistant Professor in CAT College, Swat. This is my first lecture on MDCAT 2024 Physics Solution. Dear students, if you're new on our channel, please subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon to stay updated. Starting from first MCQs, that is an elastic collision, the total kinetic energy, option A is dissipates after collision, option B is increase after the collision, option C is reduces after the collision, and option D before and after collision remain the same. The MCQs is related to the kinetic, collision, elastic collision. So in elastic collision, the before and after collision remain the same. So option D is the correct option. MCQs number second. The instantaneous velocity along the curved path is option A along the tangent, option B is perpendicular to the slope, option C is parallel to the radius, and option D is anti-parallel to the radius. So the correct option is option A, that's along the tangent. Next MCQs is the range of the projectile will be maximum if the factor sine 2 theta becomes. So projectile is the two-dimensional motion of a body along a curved path by definition, and the options we have there are A 0, B 1, C is -1, and D is 2. So the correct option is B, that sine 2 theta is equal to 1. Next MCQs we have the two-dimensional motion under constant acceleration due to gravity. This MCQs is also related with the projectile motion, and the options we have that circular motion, rotational motion, projectile motion, and vibratory motion. So this is the definition of the projectile motion. So option C is the correct option we have, that is projectile motion. Next, in the velocity time graph, the area under the graph is equal to option A is speed of an object, the option B is the velocity of an object, option C is distance covered by an object, and option D is the acceleration of an object. So the option C is the correct option, that is the distance covered by the object. According to the Newton's law of motion, the mass of the object is the quantitative measure of A acceleration, B weight, C speed, and D inertia. So the correct option we have, that is inertia. MCQs number next. Okay, the next MCQs is 1 kilowatt hour is equal to A 3.6 into 10 raised to power 3, B 3.6 into 10 raised to power 5, C 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6, and D is 3.6 into 10 raised to power 7. The correct option is option C, that is 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joule. Next MCQs we have, which of the following is a non-conservative force? So the options we have, that's friction force, second one is elastic spring force, third one is elastic force, and the fourth one is the gravitational force. So the correct option we have, that is option A, that is frictional force. Next to it, work done is equal to, that is option A, force into distance, second option efforts plus distance. Third option is efforts minus distance, and the fourth option we have, that's efforts divided by distance. So the correct option is option A, that is force into distance. Next MCQs is when a force of 1 Newton displaces its point of application by 1 meter in the direction of force, the work done is, that is 1 joule, 0 joule, 10 joule, or minus 1 joule. So the correct option is 1 joule, that is option A. Next to it, an electric motor is used to lift the weight of 2 Newton through a vertical distance of 100 centimeter and 5 seconds. What is the power output of the motor? That is 0.25 watt, 0.5 watt, that is 0.75 watt, and that is 1 watt. So the correct option is option B, that is 0.5 watt. MCQ number next. The centripetal acceleration of an object moving along a circle of radius r with an angular speed omega is given by the formula. So the MCQ is related to the angular motion. The equation we have, that's A is equal to r omega, A is equal to r square omega, A is equal to r square omega square, or A is equal to r omega square. So the option D is the correct option. The equation for angular acceleration, that is A is equal to r omega square. Next MCQ is an aircraft makes a turn in horizontal circle of radius 100 meter. Traveling with velocity of 250 meter per second. The angular velocity of the aircraft will be 1.5 radian per second, 3 radian per second, 2.5 radian per second, or 3.5 radian per second. So the calculated answer, that is 2.5 radian per second. Next MCQ is a particle of mass m moving on a circular path of radius r with velocity v. The centripetal force acting on it is F. If the velocity of the particle increases by 2 times and radius of the circular path increases by 4 times, then the new centripetal force will be F is prime is equal to 2F, F prime is equal to 1 by 2F, F prime is equal to 4F, and F prime is equal to F. So the correct option is D, that is F prime is equal to F. Next MCQ is a roller coaster is moving with 30 meter per second on circular track of radius 30 meter. The net mass of the coaster plus passengers is m. The centripetal force acting on it is 900 mass times of mass, 30 times of mass, 90 times of mass, or 450 times mass. So the correct option, that is 30 m. M stands for mass. So that is 30 times of mass. Next MCQ is which one of the following is incorrect about the nodes when the string is plucked? The MCQ is related to the stationary waves. Options we have: amplitude of vibration, do not move along the string, produce at fixed ends of the strings, and the last one is distance between the consecutive nodes is 1 wavelength. So the correct option is, that is distance between the consecutive nodes is 1 wavelength. The correct option we have, that is option D. Okay, the last MCQs of this lecture is, in transverse waves, the portion above the mean level is called wavefront, wave crest, wave trough, or wavelength. So the option B is the correct option we have, that is wave crest. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इसी के साथ हमारा जो फर्स्ट वीडियो है वो इख्तिताम पजीर हुआ। इंशाल्लाह बहुत जल्द मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो अपलोड करूँगा। अगर अभी तक आप लोगों ने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो काइंडली चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।